Welcome to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to this full body evening yoga flow. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin by coming into an extended child's pose. So let's bring our knees as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch behind you. From here, just walk your hands out long in front of you, letting the forehead rest in the mat, really breathing into the shoulders, the back body, as well as the hips here. And on your next exhale, let's mindfully shift forward. We'll come into a cobra. So stacking the hands underneath the shoulders, extending the legs out long behind you, and essentially here just pushing yourself up, really opening up the chest, opening up the heart. Keep your core slightly engaged here. And exhale, let's shift it back. We'll come into all fours. So let's keep the hands stacked underneath the shoulders. And now let's stack the hips over top of the knees. Tops of the feet are pushing into the mat. And once we have this nice foundation, we'll do a few rounds of cat-cow. So inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, rounding the spine, really moving with your breath here. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, round. Let's do one more round, moving with your breath. Awesome job. Now from here, let's make our way up into downward facing dog. So once we get here, feel free to pedal out the feet, really breathing into the back of the legs. Fingers are spread wide, hands are actively pushing into the mat. Now from here on your next inhale, let's lift that right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the right knee, step the right foot up in between the hands. Lower the left knee down, left shoelaces down. Inhale, rise up, coming into a low lunge. So in this low lunge, let's make sure to keep this right knee over right ankle, hips in one line. So for some of us, we may have to draw this right hip back and bring this left hip forward. Core slightly engaged here as well. Should feel an awesome stretch in the hips. Exhale, let's plant the hands, step it back to downward facing dog. Awesome job. When you're ready, let's take that over to the other side. Inhale, lift that left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the left knee. Step the left foot up in between the hands. Lower the right knee down, right shoelaces down. Inhale, rise up. So again on this side, let's make sure this left knee is over our left ankle, hips in one line. So on this side, we may have to draw this left hip back just a little bit. Bring this right hip forward. And exhale, plant the hands, step it back to downward facing dog. Now from here, let's heel toe, walk our feet up right behind our hands. We'll take a forward fold, bend the knees as much as you like. Now when you're ready, slowly but surely start to roll it up, keeping the knees bent. Stacking the spine one vertebrae at a time. Chin is the last to lift. Finally coming into a mountain pose. Take a couple breaths here. Awesome job. Now from here, let's bring our feet as wide as the mat, bringing the hands together at your heart. From here, let's come into a yogi squat, so sinking the hips all the way down. Try and keep your back as straight as you can here. And exhale, let's release. Let's take a seat on our bums and extend our legs along in front of us, keeping the feet flexed towards you. From here on your next inhale, let's bring our hands up towards the sky. Exhale, melt it forward, grabbing onto the toes or the feet if you can. If you can't, that's okay. Just let your hands rest where they naturally fall. Again, in this pose, really breathing into the back of the legs. And exhale, mindfully release. From here, let's make our way onto our backs, coming into our final pose, Shavasana. So extend the legs out long, extend the arms out long, taking up some space. I encourage you to close your eyes here. Just come back to your breath. So I encourage you to stay here for as long as you like, or if you're ready to go, we can rock up coming into a seated position of your choice. Wherever you are, let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.